Are you craving a space that feels peaceful, purposeful, and beautifully balanced? Discover the Modern Japandi home, a perfect fusion of Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian warmth. Step into a world where calm meets comfort and design serves your soul. Welcome to the peaceful world of Modern Japandi. The exterior of this home is a quiet statement, neutral tone stucco paired with soft timber slats. A Zen-inspired garden greets you with minimal yet meaningful details, offering a first impression of calm and control. This facade doesn't scream for attention. It invites you inward with warmth and intention, promising a sanctuary just beyond its doors. From the very first step inside, the entryway welcomes with calm. A simple bench, neatly arranged shoes, and a touch of greenery set the tone for everything that follows. It's a transition, a gentle shift from the outside world into your personal refuge. The living room is a warm haven where clean Scandinavian functionality meets Japanese calm. Natural textures surround you: linen, wood, stone, all bathed in soft, natural light. It's a room designed for intentional living. No clutter, just presence. You can almost hear the silence here. And somehow, that silence feels like home. The workspace is built for clarity: an uncluttered desk, soft light, and only the essentials. Inspiration flows easier when distraction falls away. In this space, your mind is free to create, reflect, and grow, aligned with your intentions. The kitchen blends aesthetics and function in perfect balance. Open shelving offers a peek at curated ceramics, while natural wood cabinetry brings warmth and quiet beauty. Everything has a place here. Each drawer, each dish, contributing to a feeling of gentle order and grace. The kitchen blends aesthetics and function in perfect balance. Open shelving offers a peek at curated ceramics, while natural wood cabinetry brings warmth and quiet beauty. Everything has a place here. Each drawer, each dish, contributing to a feeling of gentle order and grace. The bedroom feels like a retreat into nature. Low-profile beds and linen sheets invite rest without distraction. Soft lighting glows from paper lanterns, and textures from the earth soothe the senses. Here, less truly is more. It's a space that honors rest and mindfulness, one breath at a time. The bathroom continues the story of soft simplicity. A stone basin rests atop a wooden vanity, while organic linens and natural accessories whisper of slow mornings and thoughtful routines. It's a moment of pause in your day, a breath, a place where beauty meets function effortlessly. A meditation space or quiet tea room, grounded in tradition and simplicity. It invites you to slow down, reconnect, and just be. Surrounded by natural textures and quiet light, this is where the heart of Japandi truly shines. If this serene journey inspired your vision of home, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more intentional living design ideas. Let the peaceful elegance of Japandi transform your everyday life, one mindful detail at a time.